Interior changing the standard of tomorrow. The amazing project starts now. First of all, the wall part is detected using the level and remarking is implemented. The runner is installed up and down. The stud is installed in order at regular intervals. The stud is a vertical wall inside the wall and has a sound insulation feature. To add solidity, the horizontal reinforcement bar is connected to each stud. Next, molding is attached up and down. The panel is installed. One side of the wall surface is completed without any gap within only a few minutes. After moving to the other side, the molding is attached up and down. Soon after, the panel is installed. The elastic linkage framework allows solid wall without any adhesive or fix. Amazing change occurs in the empty office space, and the wall is created within 30 minutes. System interior transcending common sense. WhoisM will be there.